Planning your international move to or from Qatar. At 3 Movers, we specialize in offering top-notch moving services at affordable rates, helping you every step of the way to ensure your relocation is smooth and stress-free. When planning your move, the cost is one of the first things you'll need to consider. The price for international moves to or from Qatar typically ranges from $3,700 to $18,300, depending on factors like the size of your shipment, the distance, and the time of year. To get a precise estimate, contact us for a free moving quote. We provide upfront and accurate pricing tailored to your needs so you can set your budget without any surprises. Relocating overseas can feel overwhelming, but with the right plan, you'll be set for success. Start by deciding what to move and how you want to transport your belongings. Our team of experts is here to guide you through the entire process, from packing to unpacking. When you choose 3 Movers, you get access to a wide range of services. No matter your needs, we've got you covered with affordable and reliable services designed to make your move as easy as possible. For those moving a large number of items, full container load, FCL, is the best option. Here's a breakdown of typical container shipping rates. For smaller shipments, less than container load, LCL is a more budget-friendly alternative. Rates start at $79 per CBM for general shipments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on international moving. And if you're ready to get started, contact us now to make your overseas relocation a breeze.